Hi, my name is Allison, and this is for the OT 620 ADL IADL Adaptation/Fabrication assignment. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an adapted nail care kit. So the finished product looks like this. Got a pair of nail clippers, a couple different filing boards, one for filing, one for shaping, and some finger separators in case you want to paint your nails. So this can be a beneficial item for people that have decreased fine motor skills. Also for one-handed use, you could add a suction cup to the bottom, stick it on the table, or get some Dicem, keep it from sliding around. Alright, so I'll show you where I got all of my products. So the nail care items in this pack came from Dollar Tree, so everything's $1. Come in a lot of different colors, so if your favorite color's pink, you're good to go. Purple, orange. So you've got your nail clippers, finger separators. They also come with a pumice stone and a brush. And there's that. And then we've got our filing boards, which I just got at Ulta Beauty. They were maybe $1 something each, a little higher quality, which is nice so that you don't have to replace them as often. Okay, and then we've got 3x5 boards that I just got at Home Depot for free. They're floor samples. You don't even need to check out. You just grab them and go. All right, and you need a handy dandy hot glue gun. You can get a couple bucks at Michael's. And a pair of scissors. So you just get all your items together. Plug in your hot glue gun, make sure it's nice and hot. And you're gonna cut filing board in half. They're pretty thick, so it's kind of a slow process, but alright, so not too hard. Okay. Also want to talk about the layout here. It's a bit important. I chose to put the filing boards near the edge so it's easy access. Nail clippers right at the edge, easy access. And then you want this right at the edge so that you've got enough room to set your fingers down if you want to do some nail painting. Alright, we'll start with our filing boards. I am applying the hot glue straight to the board. I'll start with the outer one. You kind of need a bit. You don't want it to go flying off your board here. Alright, that should be plenty. I don't know if you can see that. Just gonna stick that right on there. Just hold it a little bit for it to cool. Okay, let's get our next filing board on there. Stick that baby on there. Relatively simple process, but very helpful for those who need to do nail care and don't have the required skills. Alright, next we'll move on to the nail separator. Just need a pretty thin line for this one. Alright, right on the edge there. Sorry if you can hear my cat launching himself off the table. Press that down. It hangs off a little bit, but you can just cut that right off. Good to go. Alright. Now for the nail clippers, you kind of want a big gob just because, show you, when it's sitting here on the board, it's not really level on there because that little circle on the bottom there. So kind of want a big gob right where that circle is. Kind of near the edge again. Dollop of glue. Whoop, running out. Alright. Nice solid line. Okay. It looks something like that. Just place that little baby right on there. Not upside down like I just tried to do. And hold it down for a bit. Alright, and you're golden. And like I said, if you're planning to make this for one-handed use, it would be beneficial to maybe add a suction cup to the bottom here, or even purchasing some Dyson. You could probably get some on Amazon. Amazon has everything. So, but yeah, there you have it. Adapted nail kit. Thanks for watching.